Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can speed up a part of a video in CapCut on your laptop or PC. Now I'm going to open my CapCut program right now. After that, you want to click on create project. Okay, so it's going to take you guys directly to this. So what you guys need to do, you want to click on import. Okay, so here, as you can see, this plus button, you want to click on import. Here you want to add the video that you want to speed up a part of it or multiple parts. Now I'm going to add, in my case, I'm going to add this video. Okay, now after that, you want to hold, as you can see the video, you want to hold it and drag it to this timeline, and after that you want to
find, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing,
you want to find which part you want to speed up. Okay, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean. Okay, wait, so first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to find which part you want to speed up. For example, after you find the part that you want to speed up, you just need to click on B. Okay, after you click on B, you will be able to cut that part, because you will have to cut that part in order to speed it up. Okay, and if you just speed, if you just enable if you increase the speed, it's going to increase in the whole video, so you will have to cut the part that you want to speed up in order to increase only that part, increase only the speed of that part.
To click
now after
on,
that, wait,
online store here in the left.
Okay,
now after that you want to click on custom.
Okay, so I'm going to, as you can see, I'm going to speed up only this part, okay, from here that I have cut, and the end is going to be here. Again, click on B and then click on here. Now as you can see, this is the part that we want. So now you want to click on A, and then you want to click on that part. Okay, now you want to click on that part that, as you can see, you want to click on that part that you want to speed up, and then you want to go in the top here, in the top right, you want to click on speed, and then you can increase the speed to whatever you want. Okay, as you can see, I increased it to 2x. Okay, now as you can see, this is the first part of the video. It's going to be slow.
Do that right now. After that, you want to click on online store here in the left. Now after that, you want to click on customize. It's going to take you guys to,
as you can see, you can also speed it up more than this. For example, I'm going to click again on that part, and I'm going to speed it up more. Now I'm going to show you guys the first part. It's going to be slow.
If I start, I'm going to do that right now. After that, you want to customize.
As you can see, that's exactly how you can do this. You can also cut another part here, and you can speed like multiple parts of the video if you want. After you are done, you want to click on export, and then you want to increase, if you are uploading this to YouTube, you want to click on this format, as you can see, this resolution, and here the bitrate, you want to go with recommended. Just copy all the settings that I have entered here. Okay, of course, if you want to upload it to TikTok, you can just you will have to connect like your CapCut to TikTok. Okay, if you want to do that, just let me know in the comments. I can show you guys how you can connect the CapCut PC to TikTok, so that you can upload videos from there to your TikTok account. If this one helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment.